My videos basically are.
Look at him standing like it as if it's
I'll
a
suck it real good.
You suck it real good?
I think I'm getting sick. I'm not even kidding. Good morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome to another. Say it. Hell yeah. All right, tonight we're gonna be installing the BMR rear lowering springs. So fun fact about this car, guys, and it's funny because I didn't know this until maybe 6 months after buying the car. The front of this car is actually lowered, and I started to notice it once I put the wheels on. This lowered his Mustang in the rear.
I did.
So now
front and rear. And,
yeah, so he lowered the front and rear.
We're just lowering the rear today.
Yeah.
Because he already has the front.
I liked how it looked, so we're gonna do the same thing to mine. And then hopefully it'll improve the handling a little more, maybe improve the grip a little more, we'll see.
So on this side, we're getting 4 fingers. We can fit 4. All right, that's 4.
4.
So
yeah.
I'm guessing probably after we'll probably be able to fit maybe 2. Because barely now on mine, I can barely fit 2 fingers. Yeah, so it's gonna be a good fit.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get this done. We're gonna ruin this car. Let's do it.
Ooh, you hear that? Look at it levels up, ready? Oh! Golly, what the f did you torque these two, my boy?
I don't know if I put these on here or not.
Boys, ladies and gentlemen, you know what I say to roadblocks? F you.
Hey bro, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of hyped as f with the song in the background. Hey, that's actually hype as f.
You. Oh, full charge? Oh yeah, this bitch coming off right now.
I think the tire shop did that.
The tire shop, they f***ed your shit up right here. And you know that.
The subframe bracket and then the subframe bolt that's actually holding the support. We're probably gonna have to do that side first because we can't do 2 sides at once. But we're gonna do that, and then there's gonna be 2 brackets, and that's gonna be for the brake lines. You're gonna take one 13 mil and it's a 10 mil. Pull that off, take the sway bar length, and that should be good. This is the first time, by the way, Alex is actually reaching out to me for help. This has never been a thing.
So he did his Mustang already.
History in the making.
So like I said, now I want to do mine because I liked how it looked. So
history in the making, baby. We did that.
This dude's getting tired of me already. I can tell.
What the f is this, a f***ing furry intro? Yo, Mookie, change this bullshit. What is this? Some f***ing acid treats. So we have your dust, you know, it's like a dust cover for your little shock, you know, things. So you got your the little cover right here. These are the top bolts. We almost put these upside down last time because we're stupid. Because, you know, I'm running off of 3-4 hours of sleep. First, we're gonna remove this bolt that holds the brake line right here, so we can release some tension. And then release this. I'm releasing this first, actually. And this.
Oh, okay.
And then that spring, I'm gonna put a floor jack under it and jack it up. And then once I loosen it, we'll lower the floor jack little by little. The spring doesn't go bye-bye into my face or the other way. Let's get Foxy in this bitch. All right?
All right. So this is a very good time.
So this goes on the crane.
Yeah. But look how thin it is up here. And the keyway.
So it cracks, it snaps from all your torque.
This you could drop on the floor.
Dude, drop it.
And it cracks.
Drop.
Wait, that's your new one?
I wanted to film this.
Really?
This is your new one?
That's the one that came out.
Don't
of
drop it.
Yeah. Let it break.
It breaks?
I wanted to get this on camera. I wanted to break it.
It cracks. This cracks open.
Drop it?
Yeah.
You already changed it?
Yeah,
That's
the old one.
That's a stock one.
Yeah. That's the oil pump here.
Chips. It chips, which is like really weird because these are supposed to be stronger than the ground.
Yeah.
Metal's stronger than concrete.
Next
right?
mod for Shadow is the oil pump gear.
So basically,
We
my
have to
question,
get that done for boost.
So you know in the S55s, the M4s,
The crank hub.
So basically, you see how this is one piece? So this is your timing, and this is your oil pump, right?
Yeah.
So the M4, the way they did it, it's 2 gears, and then they put a washer that has a material of like sandpaper. So when you torque it down, they won't spin. The problem is when you tune them, they spin, there goes your timing.
Yeah.
So with these is basically what you're saying is the key will go, and it'll spin the whole thing together.
Yeah.
Because the key will just like dig itself out. But basically like the mini bikes, when you don't
Yeah.
tighten the torque converters.
I need a hammer! Oh! I need a hammer.
We're HP Society Racing, all right? We do this. There we go. So,
I'm kind of letting them do it because they've already done his.
you guys, we're gonna take apart this strut. So when we take this apart, there's a bump stop right here. We're gonna have to shave off about 1 inch because if we don't, the ride height's not really gonna make sense. So we're gonna shave off. I'll show you guys once I pull this all out together, but. All right.
And we're off.
Just for the record, I don't recommend using vice grips on that.
No.
But you know how,
We are.
well, you know how I am. I don't give a.
We don't give a. We're gonna pull this out. No homo. And all right. So this is gonna come off too. That's just the cover for the bump stop. And then you're gonna pull this off. Just wiggle it out. It will come out.
Yeah, wiggle
And now, yeah, wiggle it. we're probably like 1 inch, like about here. Should be enough. And then, like I said, it doesn't have to be straight because we have the. Where's the Dremel? We can just shave it off. We can shave it down,
Yeah.
and then it'll be even.
Quit. Come here. I need your help.
So as per usual, don't take this as a tutorial. This is just us trying not to get hurt out here.
There we go.
I need a 1/2 inch extension. Okay. That's it. Nice bolt. Check.
All right, so now we're gonna drop the subframe down.
Oh shit, it's all you need to drop.
You gotta go down a
Yeah,
little.
you gotta go down on a little bit.
Remember?
That's
Alright,
it.
stop. That's good.
Right there, huh? It comes up. Oh, where's the pry bar?
Oh shit, my finger, bro. Well, look, dude, dead ass, my finger.
Watch out, watch out.
Holy shit.
Are you good?
Put your finger there.
Bro.
Well, I thought we were gonna keep prying it open. Somebody stop prying it.
Oh, say, can you see? Yo, what the f is this?
Bro, this is the one we use from
Right down? Down, 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 down.
There you go. Sip it out.
No, he needs to lower it. I'm
Yeah,
telling
you
you.
gotta lower it a little
You gotta
bit more.
lower it a little more.
That
right
should be
there.
good. That should be good.
Ready?
Right, yep. There we go.
Yes,
There it is.
sir.
Yo, what if this is already like on some Ford Performance lowering springs? And it makes no difference.
You
I'd
guys are ever
actually be bad.
Yeah, f you, bitch. You cutting the foam piece. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Put it
Oh,
next to the
oh my god.
What you say, Ledger? Look, that's so
Oh
thick.
my god, it's so thick.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright,
Now if you go slicks,
where's the
we might be
bushing,
reversing this process. Every time you hit the gas, it like rub a little.
That's good. So letterings have to be upright.
Alright. Let it rip, Boogie. Put that bitch in. Remember, when you put the bottom in, spin it, yeah? Spin it till it doesn't spin anymore. Yep, it's in.
Why does it even need to be proud?
Oh my god. It's about to be sick. Alright, now I need you to raise it up.
This?
The diff. Go up. Yeah, you're good. Ow, okay.
More?
Go up.
Yeah, go up a little bit more.
Up.
Keep going. Go a little bit more. A little bit more. Keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
I'll tell you what to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Right there. You're good. You're good. Hell yeah, brother! I'll get the fuck.
Did you finger thread it?
So we're gonna torque that.
Hey, look.
Nah, not around here.
This is my man. This is illegal activity. Illegal activities happen.
Illegal activities.
Right when the song goes on.
Acid tree. So this is a stock spring, or at least one of them.
No, that's not
And-
a bottom of the strut.
Yeah, this thing's ugly.
Hey!
All Now your finger's gonna smell like shit.
Oh my God, Talon.
Secret deodorant, baby.
Is that J series? That's a J series. Hell yeah. Yeah, the transmission's bad. There's a shocker. These are terrible in these.
Probably like 6 steps. You're gonna have to lift the car. Well, if you had a lift, it's a lot easier.
Which is what we were supposed to do.
We're supposed to do
Me
it.
and Kel were talking about it. It might be easier on the ground.
You think so?
Yeah.
Really?
I swear to God, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Way quicker than last time.
Because we're not worried about the car falling.
Well, bro, but we know what we're doing now.
Yeah, but also like jacking it and stuff. Like, I don't need to grab that from outside. And does that make sense? Like, I don't know. Honestly, we'd have to do it again.
Either way, you just gotta remove the brake line brackets, move the subframe.
We did it to every fucking Mustang. There's not another Mustang coming where we gotta do springs.
1-800 what?
Go yourself.
Exit came out.
So you guys, obviously we're doing the springs. We are gonna do more suspension stuff. We're gonna do the subframe brace, all that good stuff. Probably a handful of other things, we'll see. But I officially have made up my mind. We are going to do E85. We're gonna upgrade to the G3X blower, maybe just the G3 blower. I don't know if we need the X trim with the billet wheel or not. We'll see. That depends, I guess, if I want to run a 110 versus a 115 pulley. But screw it, dude. Let's go all out. But that'll be probably this winter when I'm not driving the car. I'll probably have my guy at D-Mark just install everything because fuel systems are kind of complex, and then he can tune it. We don't have to worry about getting traction and all that stuff. But yeah, man, this it's really coming together. I'm super hyped, man. I'm really excited. So yeah, we're gonna do that other spring now on the other side, and then see how it looks. Now, obviously, the springs are gonna have to settle, so it might be a little bit higher than it will be later on. But either way, it's gonna be lower than stock. So.
Okay. The brake brackets off, by the way.
Yes, sir, ski.
I just put them in though.
In your ass.
Yeah, exactly.
We gotta paint these calipers.
Buy 3 cans from 3 different brands. Spray them.
Listen here.
Just do this.
Torque spec on the subframe. Torque specs are 129. I put these bitches at 150. So this is accounting for.
That's Grabber Fox Off Road. That's
Yes, we're accounting for. Hey, listen here, ass. I'm trying to.
Guess. I've never heard of shit like that.
What the fuck you looking at, man?
They're so hot. Yeah. It's
I don't know. Hey, payday. Yo, my boy, I be buying cases, bro. I just ran out. I'm about to go buy another case. Payday, come on, bro. Like, if you don't sponsor me, it is what it is. But if you sponsor me, I got you, G. I'll put a payday livery on my car for a month. Yes. Sponsor all of HP Society. They won't. This is what I want. Texas Speed Cam. F yourself.
Oh dang!
I'm about to remove the big ones.
Oh, bro. Hell yeah. Just lay there, finish it.
Keep going. Right there. And now twist it. Make sure it's, hold on, I got it. Alright, you're good. Lift it.
Alright, so the springs are in.
Boogie.
Putting the wheels back on.
Go fuck yourself.
How you gonna answer him? Go
Get close to me. Bitch.
Tiny ass. What? Probably the size of you. That's how the car sits now? Yo, we like did it in reverse.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the jack ones didn't come out. How much lower you got?
It's definitely got to settle.
It has to settle.
Yeah, it's
gotta settle.
You already settled.
I mean,
can sit in the trunk.
just by moving it around, it's gonna probably settle.
I'm gonna sit. Ready?
Yeah. Dude, you can hear it.
Alright.
Let's add more weight. Add more weight.
Yeah, it needs more.
Let's get these bitches to settle right now.
Let's go, man. Alright, there's one. Alright, hey, hop on his leg, bro.
We need more.
Dude, look at that. Dude, it barely fits 3, so it's like 2.5 right now.
Huh?
It's 2.5.
Dude,
So it's probably
way
gonna go
better.
down now.
That's way better. So guys, like I said, this is gonna have to settle, but already we were kind of jumping on it, up and down on it a little bit.
That ass sat in the trunk, and now it's down to 2 fingers instead of 4.
Hey, yo, you got a business here. This is HP Society headquarters V2. You can't be yelling. There's customers. All right?
are you always yelling?
Yeah, you see this? You're not you when you're hungry. Have a payday, bitch. I said have a payday, bitch.
Is that right, Twinkle Tits? I'll take your payday.
Hey, Jigglypuff. Yeah. Chill the out. Oh, yeah? My 400-pound life.
400-pound life? Your bullet's 400. Take that bitch off. Hey, sorry.
You say sorry first.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Alright, we're good.
Alright guys, it is a week later. As you saw, we got the springs in, we kind of wrapped things up. I didn't really get to show anything last week because it started raining really bad, and then on my way home from the shop that night, I got really sick. And I've been sick for like 7-8 days now, and I'm still getting over it, but I'm getting there. But yeah, let me show you guys. So the car really hasn't been driven. We drove it today to the car show, did a few pulls. By the way, we smoked the Trackhawk. It'll be on Moogie's video. Wait till you guys see that. It's awesome. It's probably already up by the time this is uploaded. But dude, look at the fitment. Probably 3 fingers now. I would say it's probably maybe 2.5 inches or so gap. I don't have a really aggressive sidewall, so that's there's a little bit of gap still, but it really matches the front. I went ahead and moved the car so you guys can try to see it a little better. Man, the sun is just killing this camera angle, but you can see it looks really good, dude. It's the front. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. The springs are still settling. Like I said, I probably got 20 miles on these springs. If you look from the back, that's where you can really tell the difference. Like the whole back end, you can just tell it's lower. And I will say this, so far, after the few pulls I did, it definitely helped with the wheel hop. This thing definitely hooks better, so I'm very impressed, especially since these things are only like $160 brand new, just for the rears. So I think a full set is maybe like 300 bucks or something like that. It might not even be that much. But yeah, guys, it turned out really good, and shout out to the boys, seriously. They just kind of jumped right in and just did it for me. They just went under there and did it, and that was really awesome of you guys. Really appreciate it. I owe you guys big time. I'm gonna do a full review of these. We'll take it for a drive around the back roads once they settle in and all that, and we'll do some pulls, show you guys how it hooks. We are gonna be doing the subframe brace and all that other stuff too that you can do with these BMR parts. Up next, we got the double X pipe. We're gonna be putting that on. It's gonna get louder, and this thing's gonna sound like a NASCAR, dude. It's gonna be insane. So yeah, super excited. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notifications to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow me on Instagram at GrabberFox Offroad, and you could follow the car page at GrabberFox50, and follow our TikTok also at GrabberFox Off-road. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay foxy.